So we got some color on it. Just next week is Members Day here at Baltimore. So we got some color so the members can see it. That'll be the color that it is going to be. And today we got about from here to there put in another windowsill. Got that windowsill fitted. Work up top we got fitted. Got this threshold fitted. That's in. That's solid. This is the front of the car. This was previous work. So what happened is a lot of this framework had rotted. A lot of the sides had rotted, and they replaced them with plywood. And we're just doing this. If you want, freeze that, or you can read it. And if you want to, you can donate to help restore this car. But still a lot to go. Got this whole side to do. So most of the boards are replaced. The nailer boards. These are nailer boards. And most of them are replaced. Here and there's some sill rot. This bottom sill. This is where windows go. All new window sills were made. But we're moving along. It's coming along pretty good. There's the pride and the joy of Baltimore StreetCar right there. 2168. SEPTA PCC car. I think it's like 1946. Hey, come on down. See what this place is about. And ride some trolleys.